Hello everyone, hello everybody to all over the world who are watching me right now here on my channel, who are watching this video. Thank you so much guys for always keep coming back and watching this video, watching all my video, and I would like to thanks all my subscribers, to all the viewers and visitors on this channel. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit the notification bell and like and share to your friends, relatives, and acquaintances, something like that. So here guys, as you see, I'm a topless. I don't have shirt because we are now in the midsummer in our country, so it's okay lang guys. Well, I would like to share to you my knowledge in cooking. So the dish that I'm going to share to you is fish lumpia rolls. Okay guys, I believe you know that. So here are my ingredients for this recipe. Stay tuned, just watch, sit back and relax while I do the cooking. Get started guys, let's go! Okay guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Have a great day to everyone. Boa tarde mio amigo. At sa lahat ng mga subscribers, viewers, and visitors of this channel, ito maghatid ako sa inyo ng isang lutuin. Ito ay tinatawag nating fish lumpia. Okay guys, ito ang ating mga gagamiting rekado para sa ating masarap na fish lumpia. Umpisa na natin sa isang ulo ng sibuyas, tinatad ng pino, isang kutsarang bawang, tinatad ng pino. Ito guys, optional lang ito. Nasa sa inyo kung maglagay kayo ng chili pepper. Ito yung siling maanghang. Dahil chili lover ako, maglalagay ako ng 2 kutsarang tinatad na sili haba. Yan guys. So 1 teaspoon o isang kutsarita ng dinurog na paminta. Maglalagay tayo ng isang itlog, binder natin. Isang carrots, tinatad ng pino. Isang kutsarang kinchay, tinatad ng pino. At maglalagay din ako guys nito, pandagdag natin sa binder. Ito yung cracker to rebisco. Yan guys. So dinurog ko lang yan ng pino. Yan. At meron tayong lumpia wrappers, yung small sizes. Gamit tayo ng iodized salt, mantika, and ang ating kalahating kilong galunggong. Guys, yan ay tinanggalan ko na ng tinik, himay-himay at tinatad ko ng pino at ayan na siya. So, umpisahan na natin ang pagluluto ng masarap na lumpiang isda. Umpisahan na natin ang paghahalo ng ating gagawing fish lumpia. Ito, lagyan na natin yung isda natin. Ating carrots, bawang, sibuyas, chili pepper, kinchay, paminta, yung ating itlog, then yung ating crackers, 1/2 teaspoon ng asin, lagyan natin ng konting sabor, 1/2 teaspoon lang guys. Lagyan ko ng 1/2 tablespoon ng star margarine. Then i-mix lang natin. Mix all together to incorporate all the ingredients. Tapos ang sausawan natin dito guys, pwedeng ketchup at mas masarap siya isawsaw sa maanghang na suka na may sibuyas at bawang at may sili rin. Okay guys, tapos na natin ihalo. So ang susunod ay babalutin na natin sa ating lumpia wrapper. Ganun lang natin guys. Dapat malinis ang kamay nyo dito. So, lagyan natin ng tubig. Yan. Ito na yung ating 1 man down. Tumingin daw. Okay guys, ito na yung ating nabalot sa wrapper na lumpiang isda. The next to do is piprito na. Okay guys, umpisa na natin ang pagpiprito ng ating lumpiang isda. So, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil. Yan. Painitin muna natin yung ating mantika. Okay guys, mainit na yung ating mantika. Ito na yung ating lumpia. Balik rin natin. Tuloy lang natin maging golden brown. Okay guys, pwede na to. Ito na yung ating lumpiang isda. Napakasarap guys. Ang pwede yung gawing sausawan dito, yung maanghang na vinegar, suka na may sibuyas, bawang at sili. Okay guys, sana nagustuhan nyo itong aking hinatid ngayong recipe, ang lumpiang isda. Ito yung galunggong guys ang ginawa ko. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Salamat sa panonood. See you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.